Today I'm using a new material called Siraya TPU Air. I'm on my Snapmaker U1. I've downloaded the profile direct from the Siraya website. And now this is like a foam rubber type material. As you can see, it squeezes and it pops back into place. So what I'm going to use this for is a corner protector. I have a piece of material in my shower which has been damaged by the shower door, and so I thought I would build a solution using this material. So here's the file that I've created in plasticity, and let's bring it into Orca Slicer. So as you can see in there, you've got the Siraya TPU Air balance in there, and I'll bring in the model. Now this just needs to be flipped so that it sits on the other way up. That's it. There we go. Now it's a pretty simple model. I've cut down the interior support structure to 5% gyroid, so that it prints quite quickly. And I've tried to tear and break this thing apart, and so far it seems to hold up pretty well, even with that very low amount of infill. So hopefully it will work out all right. Let's give it a print and we'll find out. Now it's going to take about 46 minutes or so to print this thing, but I won't make you wait through that. I'll just show you that the material itself prints between 250 and 270 degrees C. Okay, so here's the problem. The door swings out and it strikes this piece of edging material here and it's cracked it. So I'll just glue this part in place, and as you can see, when I bring the door back, it absorbs all of the impact and just bounces back into place. So job done. See you in the next one.